How to hide text in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and select the text you want to hide. After you have selected the text you want to hide, simply right-click on it. After you right-click on it, click on Font in here. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you'll find Hidden. Click on it and make sure there's tick mark, then press on OK at the bottom. After you pressed on OK, as you can see, the text has been hidden. And to unhide, you can simply click on Ctrl plus C. Again, click on Enter and your text will be unhidden. This is how to hide text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.